Here's this interesting app I just found out. It's called Qovii. So it's not that popular, but it's an interesting app. It says it's a software that helps you make easy decisions. The simple and easy to use interaction allows you to easily enter difficult decisions and let the lucky wheel help you decide. Since it's pretty much the same for all of them, let little decisions help you out. Where to go this weekend? What are we having for dinner tonight? What to wear tomorrow? Friends gathering to play truth or dare? Who is buying dinner today? Use Qovii to get it all done. Create your own decisions, play party games, draw players with your fingertips, generate random numbers. So that's basically the app. So then you can just double click to install it. And then, yeah, you'll just be able to open it up. And then you can just tap what are we having for dinner tonight, for example. And then I guess that's what it is. So the idea is that you can just add some choices, I guess, to to this, and then it will just tell you something. So that's basically the thing. Then you can just search for, I guess, different topics. Then you can just have like different numbers if you need those, and then you can just flip the coin inside of this app. So like super interesting idea. So here it's just an example question. You can just add different questions. And then just you just then you, for example, you just have add these decisions, and then okay, so that's basically how it works. And then so yeah, and then you just have something like that. So then you just add these decisions, these questions, and that's how you can avoid some kind of frustration. And yeah, it's pretty cool app, super easy to use. And then if you want, you can have it like $2.99 per week, unlimited times and no ads. $6 per month, unlimited times and no ads. 35 per year. It's pretty cool app, and then you can just give it a try. So that's what it is. Try it out.